my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. It's Juju. Somehow or another I got off on my week. So this is week 5 of the Margaret Miller Collage Challenge. And it is a sewing item, something your state or country is known for, an item representing childhood memory, something ornate, something that starts with an L, and the bonus is something pink. Okay, so here we go. And I kept it all kind of in the theme of childhood memories and things of that nature. It started out with something representing my state, and that is cotton. I'm kind of known for the cotton. State, city, all that good stuff. So we're the cotton capitals. There you go. So there's a piece of the back 40 with some cotton on it. And then the sewing item, I stitched around, did some ornate stitching here, and just did some zigzag and some just straight stitching. So I just stitched around, made a little pocket to stick our paper in. A childhood memory is Miss Elma's place down here. That was a little country store out by one of our old schools. And when I was a kid, we would skip school and run over there to get a snack. And one of my favorite snacks was her hook cheese with the little plank bars, lemon plank bars. Oh my God, that was so good. And the penny candy. They used to have little jars of the penny candy. And one time I skipped school and I bought a whole big, huge brown sack of, all my allowance on some penny candy. And my mama and the principal called us and the girls coming back from Miss Alma's store. So my mama was an assistant teacher. So they got on to all of us and made us put our head down for a nap. And my mama took my penny candy and gave it to everybody in the classroom but me. I didn't get any of my penny candy. I was so upset. So I ain't skipped school no more either. Especially didn't skip school and buy no penny candy with my allowance during school time. The L is a lake. That's one of our lakes out here. And then another little memory that I stuck in here was this old-fashioned alarm clock. My grandma used to have one on Sundays, and it would go off to wake us up for church. So I put that there. And then up across the top, I put some of the old time. Well, it's not old time because, it's back in my childhood, because apparently I'm old vintage. But, anyway. Just some decoration, the burlap to go with the cotton and stuff, and then some of the appliques and stuff that, we would have put on our dresses and stuff, back then. So that is it. Plain and simple, but potent. All right. I'll see y'all the next go round. Love you. Bye.